Unlock the timeless elegance of black and white photography by mastering these essential Photoshop techniques. Let's dive right into Photoshop and transform this colorful image into a monochrome masterpiece. Our first and most fundamental method uses an adjustment layer. Head over to the Adjustments panel and select Black and White. Instantly, your image is desaturated, but the real power lies in the sliders. These sliders correspond to the original color channels. By adjusting the red slider, for example, you're effectively brightening or darkening all the red tones in your original image. See how the red flowers here become more prominent as I increase this slider. Experiment with these sliders to bring out specific details and control the contrast beautifully. This is your primary tool for a balanced conversion. Now, for a more advanced approach that offers even finer control, the channel mixer. Again, create a new adjustment layer and choose Channel Mixer. With the monochrome box checked, you'll see sliders for red, green, and blue channels. These sliders determine how much of each original color channel contributes to the final grayscale image. For a bright, airy look, you might want to boost the red channel. Conversely, increasing the blue channel often adds depth and richness. The key here is to ensure your total value remains at 100%. Small, incremental adjustments provide immense control over how light and shadow interact. You can even create presets for specific looks. This method allows you to precisely sculpt the tonal range, giving you unparalleled artistic freedom. Mastering these two techniques, the black and white adjustment layer and the channel mixer, will elevate your black and white conversions in Photoshop from mundane to magnificent. Experiment, have fun, and create truly captivating monochrome art.